Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're going to be back in the courtroom of Judge Sean Perkins out of the 36th District of Michigan. All right, he's going to be dealing with the guy who is going to deny using sovereign citizen defense, but is going to definitely be using sovereign citizen language. This is a guy I covered on this channel before. All right, so let's get to this proceeding.
Get you started on logins. Joseph Loggins. You there, sir?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
It's just log in. It's not logins, is it?
Yeah, no S.
City of Detroit versus Joseph Loggin. Case number SP 1322877, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1688005, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1688081, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Murphy.
Well, none of these work.
Ms. Murphy.
You're muted, Ms. Murphy. You have to unmute, Ms. Murphy.
All right, what's going on?
Your Honor, as to Mr. Gildas.
Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. Ms. Murphy, can
Yes,
you
Judge.
put your record for logins, please?
Kathy Murphy, P51422 for defendant Loggins, who appears via Zoom, as do I. Sir, please state your name for the record. Or ma'am.
Joseph.
Joseph, sir.
Sure.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Loggin, with Attorney Murphy. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, please. See anything here that's affecting him from getting a valid license if he doesn't already have one? It's past the matter. We need Loggins on an appointment. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Joseph Loggin. Mr. Loggin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney.
Yes, Judge, he would like to proceed to trial, and I'm asking the court to have an attorney appointed to assist him.
Here on this here this is sort of like, I mean, we can appoint one, but this is sort of like everyday stuff that we deal with every single day. It's only
Judge,
really documents. Go ahead.
So, pardon me for interrupting, Judge. Mr. Loggins has some sovereign citizen type claims to make in connection with these tickets.
Take your head off. So if he got the sovereign citizens claims, then he doesn't want a lawyer anyway. Take your hat off, Mr. Loggin.
He did.
Go ahead.
He did say that he would like standby counsel. Mr. Loggins has some unique claims to make, Judge, that I cannot adequately represent for him at this moment.
And
but they sounded like sovereign citizen claims to me.
And I'm sure probably no lawyer in the country can make that. I mean, he may be able to find himself a lawyer in the country that may try to make that claim. But Mr. Loggin, what do you want to do? I'm going to set a jury trial for this sovereign citizen stuff. Is that what you're?
It's not sovereign citizen stuff, sir. It was due to the vehicle being registered to a living trust at the time of the stop. So I was just informing the attorney that the claim is basically due to a trust being stopped. My vehicle was registered to a living trust.
Okay, thanks.
So the trust
Okay.
being the owner of the vehicle. So I just wanted to move forward as the trustee of the trust, if you will allow it.
And that's some double talk there, isn't it?
Judge, could I
Yes.
maybe jump into, I think I get what Mr. Loggin is saying. If I could go into a breakout room with him for a second, I can talk to him. I'm still waiting for my client anyway, so I got some time.
All right, here we go. I told you there's a lawyer in the country that might want to represent you.
Thank you,
Dupree.
Attorney Dupree.
All right,
Yo, that's hilarious, man. Yo, Judge Perkins, he's a funny dude. He's one of the funnier judges.
in a breakout room. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Loggin. Loggin, you want a trial date, right?
Yes, trial by jury.
Yeah, I think this would be best in trial by jury. Let the jury of his peers determine if they feel. Can I get a jury trial date, please? Are you going to be sitting with him on this, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, he is. He does want to represent himself, but he is asking for standby counsel. I'd be happy to serve in that role. I am on the Third Circuit standby counsel list, if the court would be willing to assign me.
I'll assign.
Thank you, Judge.
You do jury trial on certain days.
They have a list. They have a list.
Third Circuit does, Judge. At 36, it's all the same list. There's just one list.
No, you're saying, no, I'm saying the list for the jury trials. Let's see if I can find the dates on the list of jury trials. It is a list. Let's see here. We're going to set up 2 dates. Jury trial. Let's see here. And I got the dates. You can just look at it and see which ones. Group 2 for me. See, June the 10th. It's probably too soon. June 24th. See what we got on June 24th. Or should we just go ahead? Because we've
Judge.
done kind of calendar. July 8th. What about July 8th?
I was actually going to say, Judge, I have June the 24th. I'm currently booked for a jury trial in front of you. If the court doesn't mind double booking it, and I will, of course, note that Third Circuit frequently double books trials, I wouldn't mind double booking that either, and we can see which one, if either act ends out going.
Jury trial, June 24th. Okay.
Very good, Judge.
And then what's the final pretrial on that other case?
I knew you were going to ask that question, but still couldn't find the information fast enough. Give me 1 second, Judge. Judge, the final pretrial is the June the 23rd. You said it the day before.
June 23rd. June 23rd. Your next court date is June 23rd. Let Miss Snyder know that we want all the parties to appear on June 23rd. And not necessarily in person, but we want to make sure that they're gonna bring all the parties, so we don't order a jury if not. And that's gonna be the same for your other June 23rd case as well.
I will let her know on both cases. And with Mr. Loggin's permission, I'm also going to reach out to Ms. Snyder to request discovery in this matter.
Mr. Loggin, do you give him permission to get the discovery for this matter?
Yes.
All right. Final pretrial, June 23rd, 2025. You know that the trial date is going to be in person. It's not going to be on Zoom. But the day before that, the June 23rd date can be on Zoom, 8:30. If you have any motions, I don't know if you're going to have any motions or not.
Yes, I'm gonna have some motion, sir.
Okay, so a motion date, you're going to have to get those in pretty quick.
That's what I wanted to see, if you can like extend the time so we can get discovery and look at it and analyze it.
I don't know how much analyzing you're going to need on driving license suspended, no insurance, and an unregistered untitled. I don't know what's really it's not that in depth. I'm going to give you. You have Mr. Dupree. He's probably going to reach out to them today on that. I'm going to give you until June the 13th on a response on the motion. Motions due June 13th, and the responses will be due June the 20th. Okay? If there's nothing further, Mr. Loggin, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, sir, can you repeat that again? You say the motions are due June 13th, and the responses are due
June 13th. And the response is going to be due June 20th, and I'll make a decision on the motions on the final pretrial date.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Bye.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of the proceeding. Pretty short, and pretty much all that really got determined was, the date of his pretrial and his trial. All right. Like I said, he said he wasn't using sovereign citizen as his defense, but he definitely was using sovereign citizen language and words. And if you see the first proceeding, which is going to be linked in the description below, you'll see that he definitely went hard with the sovereign citizen stuff in that proceeding. So yeah, pretty much it. With that being said, I just want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. I'll catch you on the next proceeding. God bless. Peace.